like a Wellington sign on the thing that got like the end got blown away. You see it over there?
No, but I trust you.
Well, it's right there. Right there.
I trust you.
Oh, now we're gonna be stopping. You can probably glance over.
I glanced over. I didn't see it. So first exit.
Exit the roundabout onto State Highway 1.
Now you can see it's just right above where the street is.
In 400 meters,
Like right here.
take the first exit.
First exit.
Miramar
Oh, yeah.
Avenue, heading to Miramar.
Now I do see it.
Miramar. So you want to do keep left again?
Yeah.
Look at this pretty bay.
Do you know of Miramar?
Yes, there's a Miramar in California.
Oh.
Exit the roundabout onto Miramar Avenue, then turn left onto Point Halwell Way to Rio Pond. Turn left onto Great Harbor Way to Rio Pond, Shawnee Road. Signs for Southern Speed Limit.
This road closed.
No, let's try.
Left right here.
Continue on Great Harbor Way to Rio Pond for 4 kilometers.
Now through traffic.
Yeah, but we're not going all the way through. We're stopping on the Stratton Road. Through traffic.
I don't know.
We're local traffic. Hold on. I mean, can you get up there via... No, because it's all
I
closed
think that's
too.
where it's closed. We're not going through. I think we're okay.
Oh,
Thank you.
Don't, hold on. Is he gonna come? Here we go. We're down this road that's like closed, but not. The guy was like, I don't know. I only do the construction. I don't know.
I don't know. He said that it's on the other side. But according to our map, the other side is closed. And this is the only open way.
Yeah.
So we're just gonna see.
How far down we can get.
Yeah.
And there are people on the road.
Just a guy walking.
I wonder why it's closed.
Construction? I don't know.
Maybe there was a slip somewhere?
Maybe. We'll find out.
It's so big.
At the very least, it's a nice drive where I'm not being threaded like a needle through traffic.
Yeah. It's a rather expensive houses, I'm sure.
Even the vampires couldn't afford them. There's people fishing out there. Really long fishing lines. I wonder if it's fly fishing?
Or just they have to get way into the water.
I mean, this is the ocean.
It's a harbor.
Oh, there's a hiking path up there. At the very least, this is lovely.
Yeah, if we had to turn
I'm
around.
still enjoying this drive, even if we don't make it to the lighthouse. It's very picturesque. Yeah, I think it gets shut off up here.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Oh well. Still a pretty drive.
Yeah, it's closed. And this car is blocking it, so
Yeah.
we're not going any further.
It's so hot. And I realized the heater's on like 90 degrees.
That was 72, by the way.
No, I thought 17 was 72.
No, 22 is 72.
Too hot. I don't have that in my own car.
Some of us are chilly Phillies. I'm sorry.
Well, yeah, but you don't sit on this side.
No, I didn't change your side.
Are you going to want to pull over for any photos, or are you good?
I'm very backlit, so I don't know if I can even tell you.
I'm pretty sure you can see the bulbous shape.
Not bulbous.
My face is bulbous.
My face is fish-shaped.
Okay, there's no one here, so I'm
Wait,
just...
there's one person right there.
I know, but it's just a pretty photo.
Okay. He gave us a very incredulous look. He's one of the rich hootie hoots from above, so whatever. Don't think you need the whole drive back.
No.
So you might ask yourself, what would be the worse than a mountain pass? How about a mountain pass on residential streets?
With cars parked.
You shouldn't be able to park on this curb. That is ridiculous.
It's so scary.
You should not be able to park on this.
This is terrifying. Should have gone the main route. Screw GPS. She doesn't know what she's talking about. It's like, there isn't room here. Where the hell are these cars supposed to go? Oh, 25. That means it's even better. I mean, come the fuck on. This is ridiculous. This lighthouse better blow my mind. If it's closed when we get there, I'm just gonna die. Roll me into the bay. I'm done.
At least you can't park on this one. Well, that's pretty damn gorgeous, but that's 15 miles per hour on that corner.
There's a different way to get back, right?
Not sure how much battery I have because I was charging it not for very long, but we found the lighthouse that we were trying to get to. There's Haley.
We did it!
She won't let me go down there because there's stairs and she's afraid that I'd fall because evidently I'm not very coordinated right now. But there you go. The Bay of, we don't know. There's a sign that said Oriental Bay, but I don't think it's called that.
It's windy up here. It's much windier down there. And when the tide is high, it goes over that.
Really?
Yeah.
That's so fun.
That was the photos that I saw on Google. But it is by far the smallest lighthouse I've ever seen. It's adorable and I love it.
It's perfectly New Zealand.
Perfect New Zealand.
I've been starting to do the slow pans.
Good, Mom will appreciate that. Though she loved seeing it.
Back to, oh, I was going to say back to Haley.
Sorry. We just saw our first dolphins. They were riding a wave. They appear to have gone away now. But, check, dolphins.
Somewhere out there.
Somewhere.
Out there. Okay, so on the way out, the camera overheated, and so we had to wait So we didn't get a lot of this part of the recorded.
This side is so much prettier than the other side. The other side was nice.
This has got like skaggy rocks and
Boats and burbs. Look at all these burbs.
there'll be a car around this corner here.
I know. We each have a full lane, so I like this part. This side's a lot more comfortable than the other side. Also because when people are parking, they're parking on that side.
But yeah.
It's a gorgeous drive. I'm sure it's even prettier without the mist when you can see how green everything is. But this looks very magical.
Look how green everything is. And that tree coming out of that rock.
Yeah, that's a really nice shot.
That car was there.
Yeah. You could shoot directly up and then you wouldn't see the car, but
You want to get the green that's underneath.
you get some, you just wouldn't get all of it.
Try to drive up that?
Not me. Someone with, I was gonna say bigger cojones, but
Smaller
less
brain.
brains.
But the smaller brain.
And there's a nice little beach over here too.
Yeah.
There's a cute little restaurant over there. We ate a sausage roll that we had gotten from, not Countdown, Pack and Save.
They have such good, like, pre-prepped stuff compared to Countdown.
Well, and it's affordable. That tray of sausage rolls was like, I think $5? It was either 5 or 7. And it comes with like 18 sausage rolls.
I'm sure they'd be pretty good warm, but
I'm sure they'd be great warm. So this is Scorchorama. It's a restaurant. It's very cute. They even have outdoor seating.
they like their pointy buildings.
Oh, they don't have to worry about snow.
Probably not. But those hills, they'd probably die with snow.
Yeah. Okay, you can turn it off.